It's Margarita, and we are taking it back to the house of Valentino with Born in Roma Uomo. Yes, Uomo. No, it is not some new catchphrase that the rappers are saying. It means it's for men in the perfume world. So you know how all the hype is about the Valentino Born in Roma collection for women. Well, guess what? They have one for the men, and I have my very special guest, Mr. Man, to check it out for us. Now, this bottle is very cool. I love the spikes. It kind of gives me Christian Louboutin vibes. If you look at some of his shoes, they all have spikes on them. It's got a leather placard on the front with pink writing. Now, at first glance, honestly, the pink writing made me think I accidentally got a women's fragrance, but pink is technically a color for men if you think about color theory and psychology, but that's another video. Anywho, I love this bottle. This bottle is a lovely display piece, but enough about the look. What does it smell like? Check it out. Fragrance is an experience for him. He takes his time with things. That's one of those things where they say opposites attract. I'm like a let's go, let's go, let's go. He's like, let's enjoy the journey. So when he tries on a fragrance, he feels the bottle. He looks at it, experiences it before he actually tries it on. And even when he sprays it on, it's so elegant. It is quite a sight to see. And while he's letting that sink in, let me tell you the notes. Mineral notes: violet leaf, salt, ginger, sage, woody notes, and vetiver. This is a spicy fragrance based on these notes. Spicy, and I would say kind of dry, just based on the notes. But of course, it all depends on how it's blended. But most of this stuff sounds like something that will go in a dish for dinner. But let's see, what does he think?
So, when you first spray it, kind of has a fresh scent. And then as it starts to dry down, it smells like the John Varavtos line.
Okay.
So it kind of reminds me of
Probably Artisan. That's the one you got.
the tan.
Yeah, that's Artisan. Yeah.
Kind of good. Yeah, it's not. I'm not impressed.
Okay.
I'm not. Ooh, I'd send it back, but I'm not. Ooh, this is great. I'm gonna keep it either. So it's a run of the mill for me.
Okay.
To women who have gentlemen who isn't into fragrance and they're looking for something that he doesn't have anything like this, this would probably be an okay thing.
Okay.
But for people who have multiples, this is just kind of it smells like a couple other things I know, so what's the point?
Okay, so it's not special, not unique. Probably smells like the perfume counter at the department store kind of a thing. It doesn't have a wow factor. Now, I will say, Valentino fragrances, they're nice, but they are not groundbreaking in my opinion. I personally do not own any. I have a small decant of is it Born in Roma? It's not. I can't think of what it is right now. Voce Viva, which is decent, the one that Lady Gaga is promoting. But overall, yeah, I would have to say Valentino fragrances, they're nice. They're great to wear to work. Nothing special, but you will not stand out in the crowd. And this is, I guess, another one for the men. I'm not too familiar with the men's ones. Let me see how it smells on you. It smells nice on the bottle, but it is peppery. And it's very mature on his skin. His skin usually develops bright notes pretty brightly, so for it to develop dark on him, it's a heavy fragrance. It is great for an older man. I do not recommend anyone under 40 to wear this, or you will smell like you were planning your father's cologne when he wasn't looking. Bottle is nice, great for display. This is a very masculine fragrance, so if you want to smell like a man's man, this is definitely a good choice. First date, probably not. You might repulse a young lady if you wore this on a first date because it may come across as too strong, in my opinion. So I would say save that for after you've really, really gotten to know that person's likes and tastes.
Unless they're a cougar.
Pardon him. He didn't take his meds. Oh my goodness, he's so silly. But for lack of a better word, yes, this may appeal to a more mature woman, because that fragrance smells like it belongs on a more mature man in the first place. But are there any Valentino fragrances that work for you, for men or for women? I'd love to know, because I have yet to find any that I'm willing to actually pull the trigger on. But we can always talk about that in the comments now, can't we? Also, like and subscribe to our channel because we talk about it all. And until next time, I am Margarita. He is Mr. Man, and you have an awesome day. Bye.